Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of your shopping decisions so you can spend less time cleaning and more time binge-watching your favorite shows. Today, we've got a showdown between two steam cleaning titans, the classic Bissell Steam Mop and the all-in-one marvel, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam. Spoiler alert, the floor is about to get heated. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Steam Mop is priced at a sweet $92, while the PowerFresh Vac and Steam is all about that fancy life at $185. Reviewers of the Steam Mop appreciate its reasonable price and effective cleaning, while those who opted for the PowerFresh feel that the higher price is justified due to its dual functionality. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Steam Mop takes the cake, but the PowerFresh offers more features for the extra bucks. Now, let's get into functionality. The Steam Mop is a one-trick pony, steam and scrub. Reviewers rave about its ability to eliminate 99.9% of germs, making it a favorite among those with OCD cleanliness. On the other hand, the PowerFresh Vac and Steam allows you to vacuum and steam at the same time, a feature that many users find game-changing for daily cleaning. Reviewers appreciate how it cuts their cleaning time in half, making it a multitasker for busy households. When it comes to steam control, the Steam Mop has a SmartSet digital variable steam control, which users find easy to operate and effective for different cleaning needs. Meanwhile, the PowerFresh features easy-touch digital controls, allowing users to switch between vacuum, steam, or both. While some reviewers of the PowerFresh find the Steam may not be super powerful, they still appreciate the convenience of having both features in one unit. Let's not forget about the extra features. The Steam Mop comes with an easy scrubber for tough spots and fragrance discs for odor neutralization, which many users love for making their floors smell fresh. Reviewers appreciate the effectiveness of these features. On the flip side, the PowerFresh includes microfiber pads, but has received mixed feedback. While some love the convenience, others note that it leaves residue along edges. Still, the ability to vacuum and steam simultaneously is a significant selling point. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses. The Bissell Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and effectiveness, making it ideal for straightforward cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam is favored for its dual functionality, making it a great choice for those who want to save time. However, some users do report minor drawbacks regarding the PowerFresh's maneuverability and steam strength. So which one should you buy? If you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills steam mop that gets the job done, the Bissell Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you want to save time and clean like a pro with a vacuum-steam combo, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam might just be your new cleaning best friend. Remember folks, whether you go for the Steam Mop or the PowerFresh, the real winner is your floor. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.